Hello students. Have you ever wondered why companies today prefer skills over degrees? The answer lies in one powerful concept is emerging technologies. When you book a cab, unlock your phone with your face to get movie suggestions. Yes, you are already using emerging technologies without even realizing it. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sharma, helping students understand management in simple language. In today's video, we will decode emerging technologies and their real-world applications in the simplest way. Let's start. The subject name is Emerging Technologies and Applications. Emerging trends, what is new in businesses? Emerging trends are new and modern changes in the way businesses work due to technology. The example of technologies are online classes, AI chatbots in customer services. Globalization, Indian products selling on Amazon worldwide. This is the example of globalization. Digitalization, the example of digitalization is UPI payments, online banking apps. Changing customer needs means the examples are fast delivery products, personalized offers, applications, how it is used in practice. Applications mean how these new trends are used in real business situations. Easy examples are online shopping apps using AI to suggest products, companies using cloud storage for data, digital marketing through social media. Let's understand the introduction. Emerging trends using digital tools, innovation and modern management practices to run businesses. This by examples, Zomato use mobile apps, data analytics and AI to manage orders, delivery and customer feedback. Business today is changing fast due to technology and globalization. Technology and globalization have made business faster and global. Examples are an Indian seller can sell products worldwide through Amazon or Flipkart. These trends help students understand how businesses work in real world. Emerging trend helps a student understand how real companies operate today. We can understand learning digital marketing helps a student understand how brands advertise on Instagram and YouTube. Applications of emerging trends prepare BBA and MBA student for job, startups and higher studies. It means emerging trends make a student job ready and startups ready. And really, BBA and MBA students using Excel, Power BI and AI tools become ready for corporate jobs. Let's understand few examples. E-commerce application, online shopping platform like Amazon and Flipkart sales product digitally. Artificial intelligence application, chatbot answer customer queries on website and apps. Data analytics application, businesses analyze sales data to understand customer preferences. Let's understand by the examples. Online payments, FinTech. It is also called FinTech. Customers use UPI apps like Google Pay and PhonePe for cashless transactions. Digital marketing. Company promote products through Instagram, YouTube and Google Ads. Entrepreneurship and startups. Students start small online businesses or service ventures. This is a subject, Emerging Technology and Application. This course is made for the BBA students under the Chaudhry Charan Singh University and it covers 4 units and the first unit explain about the cloud computing and the unit 2 explain the Internet of Things. Unit 3 introduce the blockchain technology. Unit 4 introduce the augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. So by this lecture we understood emerging technologies and applications introduction. The 2 important questions can arise from this particular chapter. One is explain emerging technologies with example. Explain emerging technologies and their applications in business. Emerging technologies are shaping the future of business. Understanding them today prepare us for tomorrow's opportunity. So stay with till the end because this knowledge can change the way you look at the future. Thank you.